And guys, there is something that a lot of us do not know. Do you know that on TikTok, on Facebook, and the same thing is also happening on this YouTube, because I have observed it. When you are just scrolling, looking for videos to watch, and you see a particular video that catches your attention, you stop, you click on it, you watch it, and then you like that video without following the person, without subscribing. Do you know that? Do these three things immediately you post your video on your YouTube channel. Now, there are certain things that we have been told, oh, do this, don't do this, and you are like, I've been doing all these things, I'm not seeing the result. Keep doing it, because you do not know the day that your luck will shine on this YouTube. You don't know, and you don't even know that particular video that will bring you to the limelight. You understand? So keep doing it, keep following all the rules, the good ones. So keep following it, and trust me guys, one day you will smile. So guys, there are certain things I want you to do immediately you post your YouTube video. Immediately you upload that YouTube video, there are things you are supposed to do, and I'll be giving you just three. Yeah. So guys, for me, there's something I always do. I've been doing it, and I will continue to do it. I don't have one YouTube channel, I have other YouTube channel, but this particular channel is my main YouTube channel. Yeah, this is my main YouTube channel. And what I do is, whenever I upload a video on this YouTube channel, I go to my other YouTube channel and I watch my video from there immediately. I watch my video from there. After watching it, I like the video, I can decide to drop a comment, and I can decide just to leave the comment section like that. You understand? So in case you are watching this video, you have just one YouTube channel, I will advise that you also create another YouTube channel. You can start dropping videos there once in a while. You understand? But it's good that you have a solid one, a solid YouTube channel, the one that everybody knows you for. If you look at those big YouTubers, some of them, they have 3 YouTube channels. And in case you are wondering if you can create separate channels in one using your phone, yes, you can always interchange. If you want to go to this channel, you just, there's a way you do it. In case you want me to show you, let me know in the comment section. I will do a tutorial on that. You get, so you can have 3 channels on your phone, one phone, 3 channels, 3 YouTube channels. You understand? So immediately you upload a video on YouTube, go to your other channel and watch that video from there. Watch it. It is very good, because immediately you post a video on YouTube will start pushing that video to 5 people, 10 people, 15 people, 20 people, and then nobody is clicking on it. Especially when you are a small YouTuber. You know, small YouTubers, what we go through on this platform. If you are a big YouTuber, immediately you post video, people are already watching, people are already clicking on it. 5 minutes you will see 15 views, 20 views, 30 views. But small YouTubers, 30 minutes, no views. It's not supposed to be so. So when you upload your video, go to your other channel and watch that video from there. After you have finished watching it, then like the video. So after doing that, I will also advise you to also share that video to your community. You can decide to share that video from your other YouTube channel, and you can also share it with the main channel that you use in posting that video. I hope you understand what I'm saying. So always do well to share it to your community. Share it to your community. You know your community now, you know what I'm talking about. And one thing I love about this YouTube community is that they do not just push that your post to only your subscribers, they also push it to non-subscribers. I have seen a number of other YouTubers community, yes, and sometimes I subscribe from there. You get, they will just write something that you will read, and you'll be like, oh, you just feel, you start thinking positive. In case maybe you are feeling down on your YouTube channel, you see somebody that is encouraging you in their community tab, and you'll be like, oh, before you know it, you subscribe. You get, before you know it, somebody wants to click on the video and watch. So always do well to share it to your community. You understand? Don't forget, immediately share it to your community. I am not saying Facebook and WhatsApp and the rest, you can do that later, but share to your community first, so that your subscribers will start seeing it, and even those that have not subscribed to your channel, they will start seeing the video. I hope you understand. Now, the very last thing I will advise you to do immediately you post a video on YouTube is this. When you post a video on YouTube and that video is bringing in comments, people are commenting on that video, your subscribers, the thumbnail, the topic is attractive to them, and they are commenting, they are engaging in the video. Now, don't be that kind of YouTuber that will see comment and will ignore. Do you know your comment section is the only way you can interact with your subscribers? But some people do not know. On YouTube there is no voice call, there is no voice message, there is nothing like where you can speak directly. It's through comments. And somebody is commenting and you are ignoring. Why? If people notice that you are the type that don't reply to comments, they will stop commenting on your posts. And I hope you all know that the more the comments, the more the engagement. The more people are commenting, the more the engagement. Somebody, you can just do a video and somebody is asking a question, please answer them politely. Answer them politely. When other people sees that, oh, this person is good, oh, this person is good, oh, they will just subscribe. Everybody has different reasons why they subscribe, but some people see your video and because they love the video, that is why they subscribe. Some people, when they watch your video, they go to the comment and they start reading comments and they see the way you are interacting with them, with other people. They'll be like, oh, I love this person, oh, this person is so kind. They will subscribe to your channel. Do you understand? So there are different reasons why people subscribe to our channel. It's not just because of one particular reason. No, it's not because the video is too good. It's because of your personality, the way you handle. Even when somebody give you one bad comment, 8 comments, the way you handle it, it can also make somebody subscribe to your channel. Do you understand? So there are different reasons why people subscribe to somebody's channel. So don't be that, I don't know, you are a small YouTuber, you are trying to grow, and you see one comment, you should be happy. One comment, you should be grateful. Reply it and ask for more. And also learn to start comment. Let me just add this to it. Learn to initiate comments. When you post a video, ask them on the comment section, do you find this video helpful? Like that. Somebody can just say it and say, oh yes, I found it helpful. From there, conversation will start. So don't always wait for your subscribers to comment. No, you can start the conversation. The more the comments, the more the engagement. That is how YouTube will keep pushing it and pushing your video and pushing your video. And guys, there is something that a lot of us do not know. Do you know that on TikTok, on Facebook, and the same thing is also happening on this YouTube, because I have observed it. When you are just scrolling, looking for videos to watch, and you see a particular video that catches your attention, you stop, you click on it, you watch it, and then you like that video without following the person, without subscribing. Do you know that next time when that person posts a video, YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, they will show you that person's video again? Do you know why they are doing that? It's because you like that video, you gave that video a thumbs up. Do you understand? So all these things, they help, but a lot of us do not know. So when somebody ask you a question on your comment section and then you reply that comment, and somebody is just swiping and reading comment and saw the way you are interacting with your subscribers and even those that are not subscribed to your channel, you'll be like, wow. Before you know it, they will like your video, they will like it. And even though they did not subscribe, just that liking alone, YouTube will show them your video again if you post another video. Do you understand? So guys, you can do better. If you are a small YouTuber, put in more effort, keep doing what you are doing. Even though you are not seeing the result now, that is what I'm saying. Keep doing what you are doing. Do not give up. Now person will give up, now you lose though. Don't give up. You don't even know when you get that viral video that you have been praying for. You don't know, it might be your next video. So guys, don't give up, keep pushing. One day you are going to smile. Thank you guys for watching to the very end. I appreciate you. So guys, I will see you guys in my next video. But before I end this video, have you subscribed? Have you liked this video? Have you shared this video? If you have not, please do so. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.